Hi guys, hope you're well, and I guess welcome back. It has been a minute, and by a minute I almost mean, well, I definitely mean almost 13 months. I have been gone from YouTube for almost 13 months now. The last video that I posted up on YouTube was on the 13th of February. I was about a week postpartum with our third little boy Hudson, and I don't think I've introduced him on the channel at all. And a couple of weeks before, we ended up going into hospital with him and having a whole life change again, I guess. And I've not posted since. And the video that I did post was a video that I'd actually recorded prior to giving birth. I absolutely loved working on it with a brand, and that was then me done. I never came on, I never said goodbye, I never said I was going. I never really thought I was going, to be honest with you. It just kind of happened. So, as you can see, I am visibly back. I am coming back to YouTube. I have really enjoyed being away from YouTube, I'm not gonna lie. It has been 13 months of no stress, no worries. I say that, I don't mean no stress and no worries life, but I mean no stress and no worries in terms of thinking about upsetting people with what you're going to say and worrying what people are saying about you. And the thing is I'm going to give you a little bit of a backstory now as to why I've been gone, I guess. So like I said, I had my little boy beginning of February 2022, and during that period, I don't know if any of you remember, but if we take it back a minute, I have been posting content online since 2014, so 9 years now, which is such a long time. I started posting content before my first son was born, documenting, doing blogs, and then went full slog at this when I gave birth to my second son on mat leave. My channel blew up, making cleaning content, interiors content, hauls. I love doing all of that, and you guys absolutely love to see it. I did some mindset stuff, organisational stuff, like helping people with their finances and property and all those sorts of things. And we had been in a position where we had relocated from Kent to Devon, so we'd started a new life down there, and my channel really took off and I loved helping you guys. And then COVID hit, my mental health took a massive downward spiral, and with that, all the criticism and the negativity that kind of surrounded this platform at the time just really got on top of me, and I slowly started to retreat. And then we moved from where we were living in Devon, we relocated back to Kent, and we were living with family, which made it really hard to film because I was living in like a bedroom with my kids, and it was hard, it was a nightmare. And then we ended up in multiple different rental properties, literally just feeling so unsettled. And the last time you would have seen me film, we have moved since then as well. Our landlord decided to sell up, and we had 2 months to find somewhere, and with pets, no one wants to like let you move. And my new home, it's not our forever home, we will probably be moving again, no doubt, but it's just one of those things. And in the meantime, I was juggling a lot behind the scenes. So to give you a little bit of an insight into me, I've been struggling with my health since having Hudson. We've got lots of complications, lots of things that are being looked into with the doctor and being referred to, and I'm still waiting even now for this referral, obviously just to be seen. Hudson had an operation at 3 weeks old. He had a really serious condition, lost a lot of weight, so we had that going on. In July, our beloved dog, Wally, passed away, which was so devastating. We just moved and he passed away, and it broke my heart because he was like my baby. And after having a miscarriage back in 2021, we'd said like put a hold on kids and no more kids, and I got him and he became my baby, so I was devastated to lose him. And then it's just been loads of different things, but since then I've been working behind the scenes on, I've been doing work behind the scenes that I can do around Hudson basically and around the boys, and that's been amazing and good. And as much as I love doing the little bit of work that I do, it's not fulfilling, and I love helping you guys. And just before I found out I was pregnant, in the period of like 2021, I was training and trained as a qualified NLP practitioner, and I was in the process of releasing some big money mindset calls to help so many of you guys with your finances, your money mindset, help you get back on track, because I love helping you guys. And being a part qualified accountant, I love talking all things money. I've done so much stuff on money over here on my channel in the past. I believe that you can have an amazing life without spending well above your means and beyond. And I fell pregnant, felt really, really poorly, and couldn't get that out to you. And so it's just kind of been there in the background, like twinkling away. And I've had a really long, hard think about what I wanted to do when I come back to YouTube. Last year, no, 2021, I made the move to kind of get away from the cleaning content, and then I went back to it because I liked doing it to a degree at times, but it never felt the way that it did before. Like doing the hauls and stuff never felt fulfilling in the same way, because I kind of felt like everyone was doing it, and I wanted to help in a way that was bigger than that, I guess. So fast forward to 2023, it is the 1st of March today as I'm filming this. I have so much clarity. Hudson will be starting nursery soon. I have so much clarity about how I can help you going forward and what I can do to elevate all of our lives, how I can feel fulfilled in helping people, which is the main reason why I came to YouTube in the first place. It was to help mothers like me who are struggling with their parents and how they wanted to get through parenthood and motherhood into interiors and property and mindset and all of those things. And as I've evolved, my channel has evolved with me. And now here we are in March 2023 with a very clear action plan of what I want to bring to you on this channel. And it feels so good to be talking to the camera. And I have had so many of you guys messaging me saying, are you coming back to YouTube? Are you ever going to be back? What are you doing? What's going on? And I've been pretty absent from everywhere, even on Instagram. I've not really been my usual talkative, chatty self. I've not really been uploading. You see the odd clips of moments, but nothing major. I did film a cleaning video about a month and a half ago now, and I've not edited it, I've not uploaded it, and I've actually deleted all of the footage because I've realised that my purpose is bigger than cleaning. And whilst cleaning does motivate and inspire, and there may be in the future some way that I may potentially intertwine it with content on my channel, it may feel right or necessary to include it in a piece of content for whatever reason, that's not what I'm coming back to YouTube on. However, what I am doing, I still feel like will help so many of you guys out there. So coming back onto YouTube, I want to help people like me, people of the past version of me, people of the future version of me, and people that are like me at present. So whether you are a young mum, whether you are a teenage girl or in your early 20s, whether you are now a mum juggling 3 kids, whether you're a mum in business or you're just an entrepreneur, a female entrepreneur in business, I want to be able to help you. And in terms of like the areas that I'm going to be focusing on, I really want to kind of help. I think this is such a huge topic to be spoken about, and it can be spoken about in so many ways, but with regards to money. And when I say regards to money, I mean everything from budgeting, and I'm not meaning your basic budgeting videos. We're going to go deeper into this. We're going to figure out what makes people tick, how you can do more financial mistakes, how you can invest, all of the things that you can be doing, financial well-being, self-development, all of the things you can be doing to have more money in the bank physically, things that you can be doing if you're on a low income, things that you can be doing as a mum, things that you can be doing in your business, things that if you've got money to invest and you're in a better situation, things that you can be doing with that money. I really am going to be helping people and women and even men in terms of all different areas when it comes to money. I really want all of you guys to develop and grow, and I really want to be able to assist you in this. And with a financial background, I feel like I can do this. I have been through so many different experiences in my life, and it's time for me to bring some of them to the table to you guys to be able to assist and help you in any which way that I can. And some of the content that I'm planning on filming and coming out to you guys, I probably have about a year's worth of content already pre-organised, because I've been thinking about coming back to YouTube for such a while now, and some of the content I have for you guys is going to be so helpful. I can't wait to share it with you. So going forward, my schedule is going to be on a Sunday, and I'd also love it, just so you don't miss any alerts, I'll also have a link below in the description box so you can sign up to a free newsletter. And what that will do is that will enable you every time I post a new video to also have some clarity with that and know when that's going live, because I know sometimes they get missed, which is really super frustrating. And if you are new to this channel and you happen to have stumbled to this channel from the I'm Back video, which I highly doubt, but if you have, hey, I'm Ellis. I'm a mum of 3 boys. I'm almost 30, which, oh my God, it was really scary to say. Like, I'm in my final months of being 29, and I am here to help everyone on their financial journey to financial wealth, financial freedom, and more. I want to help you create a life you love and gain control of your money. I'm ready for new beginnings and to help as many of you as I possibly can through all of the experiences that I have had in the past. I want to help you through all of the challenges with money, budgeting, and day-to-day life and finances. And I hope that's something you're into. I would love it if you would subscribe if you are interested in that kind of thing. And don't forget to click the like button if you are looking forward to this type of content going forward on my channel. I'm going to wrap this video up because I can see by the clock it's already 15 minutes of waffle. I think I've summarised in a roundabout way where I went, why I went, a lot of the things that have been happening, but there was so much more, and what I'm going to be doing going forward. And I hope you'll all be just as excited as I am to see the new content coming out. It's very similar to what I've posted in the past. There's not going to be lots of change. There'll still be a lot of things that intertwine. But yeah, I hope that you are excited about this, and I will see you in my next video. See you soon, guys. Bye.